Hi, my name is Nigel Dean from LC Automation, and this morning I've managed to collar Carl from Longworth Industrial Ovens. He's come in to pick up some kit, so we thought we'd just have a quick chat about why he likes using Tosibox and what it does for him and his business.
So we specialise in building pyrolysis burn-off ovens for industries like the automotive industry, motor rewind industry, aerospace industry. Our customers are anywhere in the world that decides to buy or purchase one of our ovens. Yes, we do. All our customers, we offer full maintenance packages, services and the upkeep of our ovens. We started using remote access as we've probably had many situations which other companies have had where we probably call them nuisance call-outs, where it's a situation where it's something that can be resolved quite quickly. So it's much easier to offer support to our customers rather than getting them to pay a bill for an unwanted call-out, when we can quickly look on the PLC and just kind of point them in the right direction, basically. And it's kind of developed into constant monitoring and quality control for customers, where we can send the data of any process runs into kind of an email address of their liking, which will track all the temperatures, which can also offer support for the customer's environmental obligations. Well, we chose Tosibox because we previously had another brand which we was using, and it did the job for us. But then all of a sudden, as everything in the world at the minute, they became a subscription fee, and we spoke to yourselves and you offered us Tosibox as a solution. And there's no subscription fee, you're simply buying the hardware, it's very secure, and our customers seem to like it at the minute, and so do we. The benefits are, I kind of answered that, is in that we can kind of fault find quite easily, quickly from the office, something that maybe a full engineer's a day on site resolved in can be less than 5 minutes sometimes. And it's kind of giving the customer reassurance that we've kind of got the back when they need us. They can call. Sometimes customers have processes where they just need a bit of support and a bit of help, or we can change the program to solve a bit of an issue, and we can do that remotely, which is, I think it's a good support. Yes, definitely. If you feel that you offer maintenance, you want reassurance, you want to connect to your PLC, your HMI, you want to just know that you want to just check in with your machine and make sure your machine's working, then Tosibox does offer that.